Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing Master of Arts Psychology. Before starting this, I want to share something. Here is a number which is mine, and you can save this number for future purposes. If you have query related to your studies, we are helper for you to provide all types of details. Right now, we are providing all types of information related to the course. You can see here the degree which you can see. This is a open distance learning. It means that you can do everything uh, at your home after filling the exam after the registration form. So after registration form, you can study as well, and you can give exams at your nearest center. This is the School of Science, School Sciences. This is a 2 years course, and the medium is in English, and psychology is the specialization. In this paper, applicants are advised to go through the National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions Act 2021 for understanding the details of the professions with respect to this program and to take on an informed decisions. So eligibility is bachelor's degree in any subject from a recognized university. Fee structure is also given. 19,200 is a full program fee, which is 9,600 for per year, and 300 for registration fee, and the examination fee is extra. Program and coordinators, you can contact us directly by the numbers. So we have given already the numbers, and some regional centers and the study centers detail is given here, so you can give your exams on regional centers and the study center as well. Where is the nearest which from your home? Thank you so much. If you have other details, contact us today.